Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show how to crochet the crossed treble stitch. To begin, chain 41, or any multiple of 4 plus 1. Skip the first 4 chains. And in the 5th chain, start with a treble crochet, but don't finish it. Yarn over. Skip 2 chains and draw up a loop. Next, take off loops in groups of 2. Then chain 2. And then we're going to make a double crochet. Where we place it is kind of in the front, like this. And there's one crossed treble crochet stitch. For the next one, we're going to start in the very next chain. Begin as if it was a treble crochet. Skip 2 chains. And then yarn over and draw up a loop. Now, in groups of 2, take off the loops. Chain 2. And then do that double crochet in the middle of the X that is forming. And there is the second cross stitch. I'll do this one more time. Work your treble in the next chain. Skip 2. Take off 2. Chain 2. Then double crochet. Continue this across the row. At the end, make 1 treble crochet in the very last chain. Next, chain 4 and turn. We're going to repeat the same process, this time using the top part of the X as the 2 points for the stitch. Begin the treble crochet, yarn over, and the second part. Then take off in groups of 2. Chain 2. And double crochet. At the end, do the treble crochet. Chain 4 and turn. Continue in this pattern for as long as you wish, and that's the crossed treble crochet stitch.
To get more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.